Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to increase your automated savings with Digit. Do you want to boost your saving speed with Digit? Well, here's how to increase your automated savings. Step 1, open the Digit app and log into your account using your credentials, and then you're going to tap on the settings icon. Step 2, choose saving controls or find the specific goal that you want to adjust. Step 3, tap adjust savings level. You're going to see options like low for more conservative savings, you have normal for balanced savings, and you have aggressive for fast savings. Now just choose the level that best fits your current financial comforts. If you're able to save more, then aggressive will move larger amounts automatically, of course still based on your spending patterns and account balance. Step 4, confirm your selection. Digit will now start increasing the amount it saves for you while still avoiding overdraft. A pro tip, you can always monitor and pause savings if needed, so it's pretty flexible and you can use this to your advantage. Are you ready to grow your savings faster? Tap that settings today. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.